Ours is a democratic government, a government that is elected by the people to serve the people. And therefore, in this context, I want to ask the government, has the government conducted an EIA, an environment impact assessment, that this second track will further cause on the lives of the people, on the environment, or an environment means everything that comes within the environment. Has the government done an EIA? Secondly, I would also like to know from the government whether the government has taken a survey to find out what is the present status of the houses along the first track. Houses that have suffered due to the impact of the first track on the houses. So what is it the government wants to do? Make sure that our houses collapse and we, the people of Goa, the villagers of these various villages along the track, are on the road? Does the government elected by the people care for the welfare of the people? If it does, then kindly, as quickly as possible, conduct an EIA, Environment Impact Assessment. Conduct an social impact assessment. What will happen to the lives of the people? These are the responsibilities and duties of the elected government which are yet to be fulfilled. I request the government to fulfill these vital responsibilities as quickly as possible and stop all work that is going on to lay the second track until we get a report on these very, very important surveys. बंद असले आता सुरू केला आणि आमचो MLA कडे बी हांव मागता फुडें यो म्हूण तेणेन लोकां बरोबर आसूंक जाय ऑफिसान बसून कांय जायना हिंगा येवंक जाहलो तो It is his bounden duty because he is voted to power by the people. It is his bounden duty to be with the people that have voted him as the MLA of Kortaling constituency.
शांतीन आणि संस्कारान आमी चलो रातची आमोरी जाली आमी घरांत वसो वेळेर वसो वेळे सांजेच्या वेळार बसो आनी ह्या रस्त्यान मागीर वसो पूण आतां रस्तो ना कोण कोण ह्या रस्त्यानी वयतात कोणा कोण अटॅक कोता कोणाच्या टीव्ही घेवन धांवतात कोणाच्या आनी कितें घेवन धांवतात वसोंक आमकां शांती ना आनी वयल्यान आतां म्हणटा रेल्वे घालता तर ही रेल्वे घाल्ल्यान आमी हुंच्यान चलोन वचचें सरकारान नदर मारची फकत इलिसांच्या वखदार नदर मारूं येनाकात आमचो तर तुमकां मोग आहा हें तुमी सॉल्व करून येवन पळोवयात कितें चलता तें कोण येवपाक कबूल नात नो म्हूण मिनिस्टर नो म्हूण MLA येवन खबर घेयनाय आमची हें आमी भोगूंक पडटा आमी म्हातार जाले आतां मरना वगता हें दूख आतां आमी पडल्या तर ह्या वेळार सरकारान आमची नदर मारूं आनी संस्कायेन हें करूं आमकां भिवूंक आमकां पुलीस धाडटात आमी कोण आमी चोर क्रिमिनल नागोवणे आमकां पुलिसेची केन्नाच गरज ना आमच्या गांवांत केन्नाच पुलीस येयनासली आनी पुलीस येयली जाल्यार बोवाड चलतालो पुलीस कित्याक येयला कामाक आतां कसल्याय कामाक पुलीस धाडटात कितेंय जावं पुलीस धाडटात पूण पुलिसूच नको जाल्यार आमी कित्याक उबे आहात ते तर ह्या वेळार सरकारान सोत्राय धरची डेमोक्रेसी म्हणटा ती त्या पासत आमी युनायटेड जावया आमी गोंयकार एकवटाचे जावया आनी तेन्ना आमकां कोणाच्यान हात लावंक जावचो ना गोंयकार बांदव हांव तुमच्या लागीं हात जोडून मागता एकवटान रावया एकामेकाचे मिटींग घेया एकामेकाचे एकवटान रावया आनी तेन्ना आमचो एकवट कोणाच्यान तोडूंक जावचो ना
जाल्यार चिनायन जालें हांव चलोन येयलां हांव ताका चोवपाक हांव चलोन येयलां आनी आसली गारे ना मडगो वचपाक मागीर हांव रावलें ह्या घरान हांव रावलें हिंगा तेंकोन आनी रावलें आनी दिसपटो ग्रास आमी शेत रोयताय बोकडी आसली गाय आसली आनी आमची मनजात वचोन यो वाटेन वचोन येवंक जायना सगळी ती आतां मरोन मेली गाय मरोन गेल्यो बोकडी मरोन गेल्यो मनशाय मरोन गेली हाडलोली भुरग्यां मरोन गेली आमी कशी जियेवपाची आमगे भुरगीं कितें करून आतां उदका कानार बंद केला उदो येतो भितर तेदान उदका हें 3 वाजांव आसले 4 त्या बंद केले आणि आमचे भुरगे आम्ही खंय रावतली कितें करतली समजना आतां रेल्वेचेर निल्ल्यार आमी सिनियर सिटीजन आहाय न्हू दोगांय न्हिदताय रेल्वेचेर चल
दोगांय न्हू सगळे सिटीजन
पयले आमी न्हिदताय
गांवचो लोक येतलो
पयले आमी न्हिदताय
फुडें आय न्हिदताय वो न्हिद ते
होय
काल कितें जालें काल हे काम स्टार्ट करपाक तेणी हें केल्लें आमचो थोडो लोक घरांत कोणाक कित्याक आमचो लोक चड कामां वयता रेडी वयता आमचे आनी थोड्या लोकांक तेणी काम बंद केलें आनी तेणी म्हणलें आमी फाल्यां येतले 9:30 वरांचेर येतले म्हूण 9:30 जालीं 10:30 जालीं 11:30 आजचो टायम चोय 11:30 तेंचो कोण एकलो ऑफिशियल येयलो हू क्लेम्स टू बी ऑफिशियल ही हॅज नॉट शोन अस एनी ऑफ हीज आयडेंटिटी कार्ड्स आणि very arrogantly is saying, we may stop us today, but tomorrow we are coming and we will execute the job. अरे किती कसली what kind of democracy are we living in a democracy? I think आमचे मुझे लोक आहा तो थोडो लोक आहा तो तेंकडे डॉक्युमेंट आहा to prove that they are the legal owners and these documents are being issued by the revenue department of government of Goa. It is not like Goenew's Equard or the opposition parties or anyone have given this document. These are legal binding documents to prove that they have legal ownership of this land. I think area survey number na 71 and survey झाली conduct केली त्यांना there was no survey granted to this particular area. And it is deemed that it is government land. So government land means it could be rest with the panchayat, with the state government or the central government. म्हणजे तेका त्या लॉकून एक रायडर आहा. However, if there is legal ownership that is with the local residents, and in this case in Velsao we do have owners who have documents to prove that their land exists is up to the railway track, existing railway track. So how can railways claim time and time again we are asking this whoever is coming, they are not showing us any of the identity cards. See, somebody is entering now, I will make it a panchayat, we will make it very clear. Whoever enters this area should not enter this area without ID cards. I have also spoken to the police, the PSI was here now, just a short while ago. Our villagers will not, because a lot of robberies are taking place here. There is going to be a law and order situation. We don't know whether they are coming for railways or to buggle our houses. Lot of motorcycles have been stolen, cars have been stolen in this area. And this is like now a free access. Anybody comes and anybody goes, enters our village. What are the villagers supposed to do? So now I'm going to pass a resolution. Anybody coming, entering our village, and especially along the tracks, they have to hold ID cards. We will not allow anybody to come enter this village without ID cards. This has gone too much. This has gone way beyond. We are not some animals. We are residents. Our people have resided here for generations. They cannot bear the sound and the pollution. And they have left this. Until recently they were staying here. Akki raat hoita, gaadi phone marit hoita, dhul kota, horn mata, nidon dina lokang. People are suffering. We are like, this place, Velsao has become not today a prison for these people, its inhabitants.